Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, General 8, Detailed Drawings. This video illustrates A. Create detailed drawing sheets. Many city and state agencies have standard detailed drawings that illustrate the materials and dimensions required for the construction of many facilities. These standard details are included in the set of construction drawings by reference. At times, special detailed drawings are required for the construction of facilities for which there is not a standard detail or which there is a slight modification from the standard required for the specific conditions at the site. These details are generally drawn using standard AutoCAD procedures at a scale of 3/8 inch equals 1 foot or other scale as desired. The detail sheets are generally included in the back of a set of construction drawings. Several details are grouped together in a sheet having a border that conforms to the dimensions of the layout sheet contained in the Atkins sheet production drawing. Each detail is given a number so that the specific detail required for an item shown on an improvement drawing can easily be found by a reference to the drawing sheet and detail number. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.